How to see sensitive contents on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see sensitive contents on Twitter. Now, if you're not being able to see sensitive content on Twitter and you want to be able to view it, then the process is quite simple. All you'll have to do is turn the sensitive content settings, enable it on the settings. Now, how do you enable it? It's quite simple. Simply open up the Twitter app and here you'll get an interface like this. Simply tap on the profile icon that you can find at the top left corner of your screen, and then here head into settings and support at the bottom of your screen you can see, and again head into settings and privacy. Once on settings and privacy, you can see the fourth option, privacy and safety. Simply open up privacy and safety here, and what you need to do is head into content UC, the third option. Once on content UC, you can see the display media that may contain sensitive content. All you need to do is toggle this switch on that you can see at the right hand side beside the display media option. Toggle this on and you'll be able to see sensitive content on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.